Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. This is, well, it's not Old Tech New Tricks anymore. This is, I've renamed it to Dart Frog Systems, mainly due to that being a name that I thought of a while ago. I've got some branding, I quite like the name. I hope you guys too. If you don't, let me know, send me, something in the post, but probably not something nasty, just a letter. I'm not going to give you my address anyway, although this is not a call out to you to do that. I digress. Anyway, today's video is about a PC that needed some love. I saw it on eBay, I got it for £30. Now this PC is nothing special. What called out to me was through the window glass of the thermal tape case was this Corsair VX 550 power supply, and I thought that's worth about £30 to me, and the rest is just bonus. So I didn't know what the other parts were that wasn't in the description. Yeah, so what called out to me was the power supply and the challenge really. Now I won it for £30 when I picked it up, got it home, and I found the CPU cord had fallen off. Now this was disgusting, and it had about half a tube's worth of thermal paste on the bottom, which was quite concerning, and quite probably about the other half of the paste was on the CPU itself. So whoever built this thing didn't really know what they were doing, and the case was full of dust, man. It must have had the system's about 10 years old, so it must have about 10 years worth of dust in this thing, and it was disgusting. It was listed as not working. Short story, one of the RAM sticks was broken, this little puppy. The RAM is DDR2, it's DDR2 800, and this stick was the culprit. Basically with this in, the system wouldn't post at all. It would boot, turn on, the fan would spin, but it wouldn't do anything more than that. It wouldn't send a signal. Now what's weird about this motherboard is it only supports 4 GB of RAM, which was a bit of a shock, because I thought even though it's 10 years old it would at least go up to 8 or something like that, but no, it's only 4, and it's a bit picky, but it's like a lady. It's nothing wrong with you ladies, but it's quite picky. It accepts 4 GB, so 4 sticks of 1 GB, obviously in all 4 slots, but it has to be single-sided RAM. If it's double-sided, it won't work past the second slot. The other way around is you can get 4 gigs in there with double-sided RAM, but that will only accept double-sided in 2 slots. I forgot to tell you what the CPU was. Why do you watch these things? So the CPU is a Intel Core 2 Duo E8400. I think it was clocked at 3 GHz. The motherboard was obviously a 775, and it was an Asus. I'm not going to bother. I'll just put it here. I'll put it here. That's probably my here. Yeah, so it was one of those. The graphics card was an AMD 5670, which is obviously not a high-end card by any means, and it's fairly old, but it is actually really quiet. Yeah, I mean overall it's quite a fun little build. I enjoyed cleaning it out and putting it together. Shout out to Jonathan Hobson. He donated kindly to me his Antec case. I don't know what it was called. Bear with me one second. I didn't help. It's an Antec case. It's quite nice. The USB slots on the front are gone, but I don't need those, and I mean it's huge, and it's not. I personally quite like it. It's got some nostalgia feeling that I don't know why. I don't know why it's got nostalgia feeling, but it gives me nostalgia feeling, so I like it. Please enjoy and give me any feedback if you have any. like and subscribe if you enjoy watching this stuff. Dislike it if you don't like watching this stuff, or you hate everything about this world.